Hi and welcome to the No Makeup look tutorial. To see how I create this look, please continue watching. First, I start off with the BB cream, which is perfect for the no makeup look because it has light natural coverage. This product contains hyaluronic acid, which makes the skin plump and hydrated throughout the day. I use soft brushing motions with the foundation brush to blend it across the face evenly. To conceal the under eyes, I use the liquid cream concealer in number 2. I place this under the eyes, not taking it too far out, and I blend it out gently with a sponge to give an airbrushed finish. I set the under eyes and the entire face with the universal powder, which is translucent. This means it fits any skin tone. I use a soft fluffy brush to set the under eyes to focus on a smaller area and a big powder brush to set the rest of the face. I use a smaller brush for the under eyes so that I can pack enough product to make sure that it doesn't crease. And I use the big powder brush for the rest of the face because it's quicker and you cover more area. For the blush, I use the Duo blush in 02 and I start off with the darkest colour to slightly blush and contour the face by the hairline. I start blending out towards the centre of the face. I then take the lightest colour and place that on the apples of the cheeks. I use the angled brush because it makes it easier to blend and apply at the same time. I add the all-in-one mascara to the lashes. This is the perfect go-to mascara as it curls the lashes, gives them volume and length, so there's no need to use different mascaras when this does it all. I line the lips using the lip pencil in Petal. The formula is very creamy, making it very easy to apply. It also has a lip brush at the end to make lipstick application a breeze. To finish the look, I take the Love lipstick in 03. It's ultra matte, super pigmented and really hydrating too.